What is prompting? Instructing an AI to perform a task is referred to as prompting. The AI receives a set of directions, the prompt, and carries out the task accordingly. Prompts can range from a straightforward question to elaborate multi-paragraph instructions. At first, we are copying and pasting a very long introduction of an article about childhood obesity and asking GPT-4 to summarize it in one sentence. The result is quite satisfactory. Next example is asking it to multiply 965 and 560. The answer is correct. But there are some mathematical examples it sometimes return wrong answers. We will see how to overtake these later on. In order to ask what is 965 times 590, it is preferred to ask make sure your answer is exactly correct. What is 965 times 590? Make sure your answer is exactly correct. Why is it better to use recurring instructions? Let's continue. Although we have seen a simple instruction, AIs can proceed more complex prompts nowadays. For example, if we ask AI to figure out which name is first and which name is last, and write it in reverse order as last and first, it can easily figure out the solution. And let's see another example, which is more complicated than before. We are asking it to replace identifiers with the appropriate procurator. Isn't it impressive that it can find out the identifiers and replace with proper placeholder? That's all for this week. Next week, we will continue with giving role to the AI for better outcomes and standard prompting. Meanwhile, you may want to make some reading at learnprompting.org. I don't have any sponsorship agreement or affiliate with them. It is just a resource I could find through the internet and using it to learn on AI as well.